It is very important that once the incentive scheme comes, if investment is made, keeping that incentive scheme in mind, then the government should find ways and means to support the industry. Two things that have, made our manufacturing sector to suffer. One was that we lost in WTO. And that was when these manufacturers lost on that protection that they were getting from domestic content requirement. The second was that if the manufacturers have made investment in manufacturing on the basis of incentives being made available to them, then on some ground or the other, because the two cases came to me and they could have been revived had they got that MSIP subsidy or incentive that was there. I did not go into why they were not getting it, but what I realized was substantial investment has been made there, and a holistic approach should have been taken, and some money should have been given to them so that they would have survived. And that is how the ecosystem is created, because now that system, the investments, then the bankers also back out, because they realize that yes, this may. So bankers are very, very reluctant to finance manufacturing today, because they've seen that these earlier manufacturing investments had gone, they have not survived. So it is very important that once the incentive scheme comes, if investment is made, keeping that incentive scheme in mind, then the government should find ways and means to support the industry. I don't know exact reasons why that was not given to them, but that was very, very unfortunate that they have made investment, they had gone, public issue was brought, and then the investment was not coming, and then the support from domestic content requirement somehow they lost, and government was not able to do something. So those things are very, very important when you are trying to create a large ecosystem.